Hello. I am here. I will ask you to be totally silent because we are recording and I do not edit the recordings. Hello. So this is the lesson about the simple present. It's a super easy verb tense. Same thing as the simple past. We have 4 types of sentences. You have the affirmations, the negations, and 2 types of questions. Yes, no questions and information question. Yes, no question you can answer by yes or no. Information question you can answer with an information. Thank you. Hey, wow, super participative. Oh, that's a tough word to pronounce. So in the simple present affirmation, you put a subject. You remember the S is for subject? You remember I must see your eyes when I'm teaching. It's not because it's recorded. That. It's not mandatory to listen, to look, to concentrate, and to capture. You're taking notes. This is the number 1 strategy in learning a language. Look, listen, concentrate, capture. The last one is contribute. So contribute means you participate. So if I say the S is for subject. Thank you. Very good. So you put a subject. What are different subjects you can use? Well, you can use the subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it. We, you, they. Excellent. You can also use the subject the chair, the building, my school, my brother, or any name you know, like the name of your friend, the name of your father, the name of your mother, can all be subjects. Let's pretend I put I here. Now, when I put I, the only thing I need to do is put the base form of the verb. I think my mic got that. So the base form of the verb to go is go. Thank you for your participation. So I go, and then you finish the sentence. To my game. I go to my game. Now let's change the subject to see what happens with base form plus S at third person singular he, she, it. He go to my game. Well, first we need to change this. It's not my game. It's his game now because it goes with he. And he with the S, go with the S is goes. So ES, he goes to his game. And then you need to finish with like every Tuesday night or something like that. Because when using the simple present, you have time indicators like today, in the morning, each time, most of the time, every day, every month, because we're using simple present for daily routines. So things you do every day on a constant basis, or something you do every Tuesday or every Wednesday, something you do on a repetitive schedule. You can also use the simple present for habits. Habits is almost the same thing as a daily routine. And you can also use the simple present for truths or facts. For example, Wait a minute. She wears, today is Valentine's Day, so she wears a pink shirt. Shirt, no S. Shirt. So she wears a pink shirt is a truth if I'm looking at a girl that is wearing a pink shirt. So she wears a pink shirt on Valentine's Day. So this would be simple present. The rest of the paper here will only show you that third person singular takes an S with the auxiliary do. Earthquake in the movie. Again. Okay, so with he, she, it, you will write the word does. For example, if you want to say that she not wear a red or pink shirt today, you will write she does not wear a pink shirt on Valentine's Day. You use does because she is the third person singular. If you say you do, you use the subject you, it will be you do not wear a pink shirt. For example, you can say, not for example, but do not together. You know that word, everybody? Do not together, what is it? Don't. Okay, do not or don't is the same, exactly the same. Yes, no question. We always begin a yes, no question in the simple present with do or does. With most verbs. When it's the verb to be, it's something different that I would talk about in another lesson. So if I write, do you like Valentine's Day? Yes. Is it a good question? Yes. If I say, does she play tennis on Saturdays? Is it a good question? Yes. That's it. Don't make it so complicated that like you're thinking in your head, I secure, how do we say that in English? It doesn't exist. Do or does. Do you like my English lesson? Phew, you said yes. Thank you. And with question word, you only add the question word. Why do you like my English lessons? Because I'm funny. Thank you.
Because you're kind.
Because I'm kind. Thank you. Because I take time to explain and answer your questions. That's good. So this is it for the simple present. It's a long lesson, but pretty easy. Third person takes an S. That's the third person here, third person here, third person here. For the rest of the persons, it doesn't change anything.